Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix update is required to play game in EA FC Beta Mobile. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to update the game. So how could we be able to update that? Of course, we have to go to our Play Store and then search for EAFC Beta. Okay, so let's open our Play Store, then use the search bar to search for this application. As you can see, I cannot find the application. It is because we have to use a VPN. Okay, so the VPN that I am using is the Tunnel Bear. So you can search this in your Play Store. Okay, and then install it. So I'm just going to open it and then connect your server to Malaysia, Indonesia, or Australia. Okay, so I will be connecting to Malaysia, I think. Okay. Now if I will go back to my Play Store and then search for the EAFC beta again, then I will be able to find that application there and then click on the update option. Okay, so just do that. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.